Instagram account temporarily deactivated. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can solve if Instagram account is temporarily deactivated, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whenever you try to open up the Instagram app and then you try to maybe log into your account, it could say something like temporarily account deactivated. Now this could usually happen if you had happened and tried to deactivate your Instagram account before, and that is why you are actually finding that particular option. In that case, just tap on the pop-up and select the option called reactivate account. The another case is Instagram might have actually noticed some type of suspicious behavior from your account. That is why they have deactivated your account temporarily, and because it is temporarily, you don't have to do anything about it. This is going to automatically solve itself after a couple of hours, or you can just try to log in the next day, because this is just a temporary deactivation that Instagram puts because they notice some type of behavior. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.